What should I make my first YouTube video about? This is a really important question for new creators on the platform, and it's so important to choose the right topic for your first video so that you get motivated and inspired to create more videos and grow your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you the best way to choose the topic of your first YouTube video so that you set your YouTube channel up for success. Now, the biggest mistake I see new YouTubers making is choosing a topic that's way too complex. What you want to do is choose a topic for your first video that's easy and accessible for you. So my advice to you for your first video topic is to talk about your number one favorite thing. What is your favorite thing in this world? What are you most passionate about? What are you most excited about? Because your favorite topic is going to help you express yourself and help you come across in the best possible way because you're very familiar with the product and you're super passionate and excited about it. And that's really what I want you to do. I want your first video to be easy. I don't want it to be a struggle. I don't want you to go out and do hours and hours and hours of research. Because if you do this, if you start spending too much time on the video, it creates opportunities to procrastinate. I want the first video to be a quick and easy, accessible video for you. So you can just sit down and talk like you're talking to a friend and get through that first video. When you're first growing your YouTube channel, it's all about putting the reps in and getting used to creating videos, getting used to talking to the camera, getting comfortable and relaxed, and helping you express yourself to the camera so that you come across well and people can start connecting with you. If you can start creating these kind of connections with your audience, it means more people are going to like your videos, more people are going to engage and watch your videos, and it's going to help you get more people to subscribe to your YouTube channel when you're first starting out. And that's really what I want you to do. I want you to start off on the right foot. By talking about your favorite thing, it's going to be easier for you to deliver the information and get your first video ready to publish on your YouTube channel. It's about getting past that first hurdle and taking that first step. It's going to be really hard and uncomfortable doing your first video, but I promise you it's worth pushing through this initial struggle. As you do more and more reps, as you create more and more videos, you will get more comfortable, it will get easier, the workflow will become more manageable. So now that you know you're going to talk about your favorite thing, I want you to set a date and a time and a location of where you're going to record this video. Once you set this intention, it's a lot easier to stick to. If you just say to yourself, I'm going to record this video sometime this weekend, you're going to allow yourself to get busy and your mind is going to find a way to put off this new uncomfortable thing of talking to a camera and recording your video. Don't allow yourself to procrastinate. Don't allow yourself to put it off. All this fear is doing to you is pushing out your dream, pushing out your future vision. The quicker you can film, record, edit, and publish your first video, the easier it's going to be for you to take the second and the third step, which is going to lead to you growing a YouTube channel that can actually make a massive change in your life. It can create a lot of freedom and it can create the kind of platform that you need to be able to talk from in order to build your business, in order to make sales, in order to reach the people that you can really help. If you don't push past this fear, you're actually doing a disservice to every single person out there that would benefit from your video, that would benefit from your knowledge and the experiences that you've been through. You can help so many people, so don't allow this fear to get in the way, because I know that you have this specific knowledge that can help so many people. And we need you to push past that first video and actually record and actually publish that first video so that you can start publishing more videos and adding more value to people's lives. So whenever you feel that little bit of resistance, remind yourself you have a special message to share. You have so many experiences and so much knowledge that other people can benefit from in the world. So don't hold yourself back. Allow yourself to put yourself out there and reach the kind of people that you can make a difference with. If you're excited to publish your first video, let us know by smashing that like button and leave us a comment below letting us know what your video is going to be about. And from that comment, I can then come and check your YouTube channel out and see your first video. Thank you so much for being a part of this community, and I can't wait to see your first YouTube video.